Thank you for watching my video. I'm experimenting with a lot of different things here. I still have a lot of issues with proportion as well. But I'm dealing with separate layers that I can turn on preserve alpha and manipulate just whatever I've got on that layer. Like highlighting edges or using multiply to darken edges or different parts of it without painting new brush strokes into the area. Playing around with color now. Eventually, in those oversaturated areas, I changed the mode of the brush that I'm using to saturation, and that will selectively desaturate whatever you paint on. More effective than trying to select out those areas like I was doing. There's just a lot of fun things that you can play around with. I always see things that need to be fixed, no matter what.